Let's go through some diaper bag essentials with Kinney. These are some essentials that you'll need if you have a toddler. First up is always our changing pad and wipes case. They go perfectly in the back pocket right here. Another essential we always recommend is our stroller hooks. Essential we recommend is our Bay clip pouch. This is perfect packing your toddler's pacifier if they still take one. Really good for little things like bobby pins, AirPods, toddler toys that you might get lost inside your bigger diaper bag. Of course, you have to have your toddler's sippy cup or water bottle. Toddler's snacks are a must. Using these reusable snack pouches, they are no spill and have a really nice, easy top to open for the little ones. Change of clothes is also a must for a toddler. They tend to get dirty and spill things on themselves all the time, so I always carry a change of clothes. And then lastly, I find that toddler moms always have a ton of toys in their diaper bag. You always need a variety of toys because you don't know what they're into at the moment or what they want. And those are just some of our diaper bag essentials for toddlers featuring our Kinney diaper bag, which is perfect for toddler moms.